OnePlus Pad. It is available in silver, grey and pink gold color variants. You can choose between 8GB RAM, 128GB ROM and 12GB RAM and 256GB ROM size variants based on your need. The OnePlus Pad can make calls and use smartphone cellular data via the Auto Connect feature. Binge through your favorite shows, movies and books on the large 16.61-inch 3K Plus display with 500 nits brightness, 144Hz screen refresh rate and supports 10 bits true color. Capture your moments with a 13-megapixel rear camera and 4K recording and 8-megapixel front camera. Zip through games, documents and multitasking with Android 13 OS, MediaTek Dimensity 9000, 4nm advanced flagship chipset. Enjoy 1 month standby with 9510 mAh battery which supports 67 watts SuperVOOC charging. The box includes tablet, quick start guide, adapter and USB Type-C cable. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.